we got them to where they're looking beautiful. And that's the primer. Tomorrow, I hit the face of all the big ones in the morning with the satin alabaster. And so far so good, they all looking gorgeous. Almost daylight. Got the next batch on the sawhorses. Please don't trip. Please don't trip. Please don't trip. Oh, that's the mid-size doors, cabinet doors. We've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did 12 of the large doors yesterday. This is, if you're not aware, this is a full-blown cabinet door and drawer restoration. Let's put my hat on because I look so much better. And I primed the back sides of the big ones yesterday twice. They've all been sanded. I am in the process of still sanding and puttying, and they had some damage on them. But the point I want to get across is it is better to take your old cabinets that are 30, 40 years old, 50 years old. I don't care. Bring them to me. Let me restore them, because you cannot buy that anymore. What you're gonna get now, and I don't care who you go to, is Chinese cabinets or Vietnamese cabinets. And I'm not saying anything bad about them, but I am saying that quality is compared to what they used to make in the USA. Period. So it's in your best interest to restore your older cabinets. Get the finish you want, get the color you want, exactly, custom match it, whatever. These cabinets are going to be gorgeous. Let's go in the shop. I've been sanding all morning, since 3 o'clock this morning. And I have a helper on this job with me. Got my nephew, Cody. That's what I have left. It's little stacks, but it's a lot of work. I'm gonna go ahead and any chips and nicks and stuff like that, we're taking care of them, even on the backside, even though it's a pain in the butt. These wood grain cabinets from the factory had knots and it did I don't know how to say it, little cracks and little knots and divots that actually gives the wood grain personality, all right? Character marks is what you would call them. But if you paint it white, all you got is a nasty hole. So we have to take care of all of those things, front and back, and it becomes an epic amount of work. So Okay, so we've got 2 coats of primer with the Wagner sprayer, high build on the back of the biggest doors back here, the medium doors, and out there, the tall skinny doors. I've got 2 coats of primer on the big doors, and I'm about to put the 2nd coat of primer on the skinny doors, the face. So we're moving right along. This is a lot of work. You got to give this stuff plenty flash time. It's time consuming, I will say that. But the finish we're getting with the 3M gun, I'm spraying it like I would spray a car. So I'm using the 3M air sprayer for the face of these things because that Wagner tends to throw a little orange peely texture. But we got them to where they're looking beautiful. And that's the primer. Tomorrow, I hit the face of all the big ones in the morning with the satin alabaster. And so far so good. They all looking gorgeous.